Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on the squat step kick, which I do a bunch of times in different ways in my classes, and I realized that that might not be completely clear as far as where your feet go. It's a super simple move, but if you're not sure where your feet go, it's less super simple. So real quick, let me show you what the squat step kick is. I don't have good names for anything, so this is literally a squat, a step, and a kick. If you have any good ideas for names, bring them on, because if you'll notice my captions, they're like 14 words long to describe the move. Where if we could just name it something like, I don't know, see? This is my problem. But squat step kick, here is your squat. You're gonna bring in one foot to where the other foot is, and you're going to point it in the same direction that foot came from, yeah? So if you're stepping in with your right leg, you're gonna kind of step in, toe pointed to the right, kind of taking the place of this leg, you're gonna lift that leg, tilt forward as you kick, big toe slightly down, you don't want that toe up, you wanna bring this back shoulder slightly forward and down. So it's not so much about flexibility. When you see kicks way up here, it's more about physics. And the more you drop your chest, the more that leg can go up. If my chest stays up here, I can't really get that foot up. All right, so a little faster is a squat, step kick, step squat, right? So squat, I'm gonna step in, switch legs, kick. It's hard to do slow, a little bit easier to do fast. Some of the ways that we've done this, squat, step, kick, sometimes we'll come in, maybe do a crisscross and then right into it, or maybe go to the other side, which is the same thing, step, kick, step, step. What I see a lot is people going straight into the kick, and then they are kind of lost within the move because the next move depends on those extra steps. Let's try a few together. Squat, step, kick, step, squat, step, kick, just side to side, step, kick, step, squat. We've also done a squat, step, kick, squat, hop, hop, turn, right back into that squat, step, kick, step, squat. Few ways to make this a little less intense. Smaller kick, step, 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 kick. I think these two steps are the most important parts. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, kick. As I tip over. Nice ending. I hope that helps, because it's actually pretty fun, and once you once you become more comfortable with it, you can challenge yourself to lift your leg higher when you kick, drop your chest more, and that's it. So try it out, let me know how it goes, and the next time I throw it in a routine, no problem. All right, see you later.